So here's a familiar scenario. Your bathroom's not that old. It's structurally sound, but it's a bit grotty. You got mould, stains. Thing is, you don't have the budget right now to do the full reno. Or, if it's an investment property, you don't want to overcapitalise. The owners of this 12-year-old bathroom have a lot of places for their money to go at the moment. So they just want a simple refresh. That's where Gabriel Canavo comes in. He's a super experienced tiler who does a lot of big commercial and residential jobs. This is a lot smaller project than he's used to, but he's agreed to give us some pro tips. Okay, Gabriel, tell me about this bathroom then.
So this bathroom, we're just going to give a refresh. It's just a bit tired with a bit of mould and mildew in the shower area. So just a quick cosmetic clean-up.
So good news for the clients, we don't need to rip everything out. But what's causing the mould and mildew in a bathroom that's really not that old?
Usually it's only a few factors. It's either not cleaning enough, using very harsh chemicals which actually eat the grout, or poor ventilation. Here you can see the clients have put in extra fans and they're leaving their nice big window open, which helps with that situation. If I could give the client one tip, it would always be to tile from floor to ceiling. That way all your walls are protected with tiles.
Yeah, nice. Well, I guess that's time for us to rip in then.
Yep, let's get into it.
First, we need to prepare and clean with a mild soap or sugar soap. Then, make sure all the tiled surface area is dry and clean before we start. So now you remove the grout. Not all of it, just down to 1 mil. Select a grout remover that's suitable for your joint width. Use a strong bristle brush to remove any loose grout. Now for the fun part with Davco Rejuvenation Grout. It's ready to use straight from the tub. And here's one little tip from me. Make sure you keep this little bit of plastic. You put it back in the tub, that keeps it fresh for later on. All right, Gabe, what do we do from here, mate?
So what we're doing today, we've already scratched out our 1 millimetre worth of grout. So the homeowner has decided to go from white to grey grout, giving the bathroom a fresh, clean look. And the beauty about Davco Rejuvenation Grout is when you want to touch up later on, it's always the same colour from tub to tub.
Yeah, it looks good. And how's that bonding?
Well, you can see how tacky it is, and that's what makes it bond so well to the old grout.
Make sure you fill the joints properly. Shaping the joint is important here. It's a bit like wax on, wax off. That looks 100% better, and now it's mold and bacteria resistant too. Next, we're going to seal it up. Silicon's one of those things that can really age a bathroom if it's not done properly. You can see where it needs replacing near the window, behind the bath, and behind the sink. Time to remove, reseal, and make sure it's protected. So we're going to redo the silicone around this mirror and the sink and make it look all fresh and nice again. Then it's going to do what it's supposed to do, which is seal the area from water ingress. To remove the silicone, you're going to need a knife and a flat blade. Carefully score along the top and bottom of the silicone to make a clean cut on either side. Gently apply pressure on the chisel, running the flat blade against where the tile meets the silicone until the silicone is removed from the joints. Clean any remaining residue and you're ready to seal. Now, the floor tiles. So the homeowners aren't replacing these, are they?
No, they're not. But this 12-year-old grout is looking tired and it'll be great to give it a freshen up.
The main bathroom is a high traffic area for a family. We could have used rejuvenation grout here, but we've decided to clean it up and give it some extra protection, which requires 2 products. Tile and grout cleaner to start. Get rid of tough dirt and even mould and mildew. All the grout and silicone looks like new again. Well, it's working. What do you reckon, Gabriel?
Oh, it looks fantastic. Look at the before and look how it's coming along, just with 5 minutes work.
Let's keep going, mate. Plenty to do. And finish off with tile and grout sealer. You can apply this to new or old grout with a narrow brush. If you get it on the tile, just wipe it off with a damp cloth. With everything dry and ready to use, let's see if we managed to freshen up this 12-year-old family bathroom. The floor is clean and protected, and it'll stay looking clean for longer. The homeowners have given the cabinets a facelift and changed out the accessories to finish it off. The best thing is, it's a project anyone can do over the weekend, with a few expert tips using products trusted by tilers. Thanks, Gabriel. Repair, refresh, protect, finish. In the home, around the home, or away from home, there's a Sika solution built to last.